With sprayers making an appearance in fields, it's important to keep sprayer care and operation tips in mind. Tyler Frederick and Dr. Joe Luck from the University of Nebraska-Lincoln talk us through cleanout tips, nozzle care, and tools to help with turn compensation.
I'm Tyler Frederick. I'm the Assistant Farm Manager at Nebraska Farm Operations, and I'm also currently the primary sprayer operator.
Yeah, and I'm Joe Luck. I'm a professor in biological systems engineering and extension specialist for precision agriculture. So this is a wet boom, so all the nozzles are connected directly to this line. But a lot of people now have like hard lines like this, but most of the time it's soft rubber lines. And so anyway, people would like cut that or take it off, and you could just see the chemical and material all built up in there, and a lot of it was this recirculating system really helps with stuff like that. I know, to me, another really one is like your filters and stuff. So, the machine's got usually a primary filter that everything goes through, but you all put filters in the nozzle tips too.
There's a 50 mesh filter. I just cleaned these out this morning. So.
Okay, I was going to say I didn't want to.
Yeah.
But, these filters, like I was saying before, a lot of times technology is not the problem. It's just the little things like having a filter that gets stopped up out here and it, half plugs the nozzle up. And the hard part is sometimes you can't see it. The thing they can do is they can increase and decrease the flow coming out of the nozzle. So not only can they shut on and off, but they can actually, so if this thing were to make a big turn out in the field, the boom, this thing can turn so tight, the boom will actually swing backwards where it's sprayed before. But if you're not making such a wide turn, as long as this boom is, if you get swinging out like this is getting a really low application rate because the boom's going faster and the inside of the turn's going slower. So they call that turn compensation.